Hello, hello. Yes, I know. Long time no see. I'm back again with my Volkswagen Passat, and this evening I'm going to show you how to change the daytime running lights. Let's get off the car and see how I'm going to change these bulbs. First of all, there is a tiny weeny screw over there. You have to take off that one. This is the tools that you need to take off the front of the light. I managed to take off the left hand side one. As I said before, there is a little screw, you take it off. I managed to take the left side off before I start recording. I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't know how it's gonna work. This is how it looks, the normal bulbs. They're a bit yellowish. These are the bulb lights, which I bought them from eBay. I pay like £12.43 for a pair. Managed to take this one off the cover. And I'm gonna take this one. It's got another two screws. One is somewhere over here, and another one is just hidden there. Yeah, that's the one. Let's take it off. Okay, it's not that bad. Probably the screws that haven't been tied since car was made. Okay, easily take this one off. Woohoo! That's done. It's not bad. Okay, so this one here, that's the corner one, and this is the daytime running bulb. Okay, let's take it off. Okay, that's the one. Right. Ooh. Passat, so I have to be careful. You have to wear gloves, not like me without gloves. Alright, that's the wall done. Yeah, you can see it's fuming, if I can say that. Now, I bought the LED one. When they advertise this one, they say it's gonna be no error on the dashboard. So, yeah, let's see. Oh my goodness me, that looks proper bright, isn't it? Oh, I like it. That's nice.
The world has been left broken. Open your mind. The world has been left broken. I switched the lights off because it was blinding me. It's not the hardest job in the world to put this one back. Yeah. Okay, it's done. One screw is gonna be here. I'll show you on the right hand side how long it's gonna take. I mean, not that how long, but how to take off this cover off and then the light. I think you need 3 hands for this one. Oh yeah, I managed. Yes! Oh. Done. Right. Okay, now this one to put it back on. Let's see how it goes. Take it from the left side and just push it. Oops, I have to put this one back first. Actually, yeah, so be careful with this. This one I have to put it first, I think. Alright, and the other one too. So basically I think it's the other way. So you take it from this side actually. Okay, so basically you fit it on the right hand side and then try to press it on the left side then. Looks like it's much easier like that and much comfortable. Yeah. Just press it. Yeah. Alright. And of course don't forget the tiny weeny screw to put it back to. Okay. Good job done. Ooh la la, that's pretty much sick. I like it. It's much brighter than the usual one. So yeah, I'm happy. So far so good.
Okay, so not that bad. It took me literally 5 minutes to replace the old bulb with the new one. So yeah, let's do the job on the right hand side.
Yeah, so we have 3 screws on this one. Yeah. First of all, the tiny little one, which is placed on the side. And then there is this hard plastic to take it off. You start from here. Bam, so it's out. Take your time, yeah? I knew how it's working from the previous one.
Look around you.
Easy, lemon squeezy. Yeah, just be careful. Look, I managed somehow to snap just a little bit of this side. I'm gonna put some super glue. I have to. Sorry, little car, I damaged you. Yeah, as I said, one screw is there and the other one is just there. All right, so that's the yellow and that's the bright one. Huh? Looks nice, not bad. Yeah, definitely looks much better.
The world has been
Yeah, that's good. Better than I thought so. How do you literally do that?
That one I don't need it now.
Can I smash it?
No, good one. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of super glue on this one because I don't like the things to be undone, even if it's just a tiny piece of plastic. Yeah, that's the one there. You can see the crack. It's barely visible, but as I said, I don't want to leave it undone. Crack, you cannot see it because it's just there, so basically it's behind, but why not put it back? Okay, now let's see the final results. Oh, I love it. That's quite nice. Looks more aggressive.
Okay, now the job is done. Let's see if I have any error on my dashboard. Okay, phone settings. Yeah, nothing coming up. Okay, let's see. Let's press the clutch and start the car. Nope. Nothing. So yeah, the guys, they were right. No error on the dashboard if you use this type of bulbs for daylight run on a Volkswagen Passat. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. As you can see, I'm looking like an avatar boy because I have blue lights inside my Passat. The job was easy. Just follow the things I've done, and yeah, you can have white bright lights on your car too. Thank you very much. Bye.